Hi guys, I'm here in this beautiful house in Spring Valley. We are closing escrow on Monday. Today the gas was shut off because they're going to be tenting for termites. I was able to negotiate that for my buyers. We had to compete with many offers to get our offer accepted on this beautiful property because it has an additional ADU. Everything has been upgraded. So yes, there were a lot of buyers wanting this house. I have worked with these sellers before, so they trust me. They know that I always have serious, pre-approved and ready to go buyers. I always partner up with reputable lenders that are really gonna get the deal closed. I negotiated some closing costs, cast iron plumbing replaced, many repairs, and also the tenting for the termite. And my buyers are happy. We'll be closing escrow on Monday. If you're looking for an experienced realtor that can negotiate for you, call me, Fabi Gonzalez.